Welcome to Sankof Engineering and Construction Limited. My name is Tinashe Chiwayu and I'm here representing the engineering division. So today I'll be talking about our PBX telephony systems, the range of products and how they can actually help any company to increase efficiency, productivity, and also reduce communication costs within a company. So first I will explain a bit what is a PBX. Generally, what it is, this is a private telephone network, a private telephone system used within a company. The main aim is to reduce communication costs with that company. How does it reduce costs within your company? I'll give you an example. Let's say you have a company where you have 10 offices and you want to connect one phone in each of those offices. Then you have one external line, for example, one PSTN line with Zamtel that comes into your company. The thing is, you can't connect these 10 phones with that one same line. So this is where the PBX comes in. Uh, you connect your 10 phones to the PBX, then you connect your one line to your PBX. So these 10 phones can communicate internally for free within your company, and then they can share that same one line, either calling out or receiving calls from the outside world. And the PBX, when it receives a call from the outside world, it actually automatically reroutes that call to your specific destination. So basically, that's what a PBX is and what it does. Then coming to the range of products that we offer at Sankof, we have traditional PBX systems. We also have voice over IP PBX systems. And then maybe specifically under traditional PBX systems, we have the Panasonic TS824. And this one, it allows you to connect up to 8 users and then 3 external lines out of the box. Then if you want to add more users, then you have to buy more modules, and then it can hold up to 24 users and 8 external lines. And then we'll talk about the features later. We'll also talk about the voice over IP. Let's talk about the voice over IP PBX that we give. Voice over IP, actually, it's also called internet calling, which is the newer technology in the telephone industry. So here at Sankof, our VoIP PBXs, they offer up to 500 users, and you can connect as many lines as many external lines as you can to your PBX system for use within your company. And then voice over IP has got many advantages over the traditional analog PBX in terms of the features that it brings. And these include, one, we can talk of connecting. Now you have many ways of connecting to the outside world besides using landlines. You can connect, call outside of your company using SIM cards through the use of what are called gateways. You can also use what are called SIM trunks. Now these are not physical lines, unlike the landlines. These are not physical lines, and you don't need any hardware to be connected to your PBX. You just need you just configure, you put in the details of the SIM trunk into your PBX. Then you'll be able to call in and out of your company. Talking of features, we can talk of things like voicemail. Voicemail, usually you can't afford to lose the calls in a business. So voice over IP, it gives such features out of the box. And like in Panasonic, if you want to make use of voicemail features, you buy another module. We can talk of call recording. You can get that one out of the box as well from our VoIP PBX. And then comparing with the counterpart, the traditional PBX, you need another module or another card. Now we can also talk of things like call detail records, which gives you the opportunity to see the usage of your phone system, who was calling, to which number, at what time. We can talk of things like mobile extensions, on which you can carry your phone number on your mobile phone through the use of different applications that are out there. We can talk of connecting different departments together in different geographical areas, and then allowing users within those departments to communicate for free, whether they're in different countries, different cities, different regions. For as long as they are connected to that same one network, you'll be able to make free calls within your company, which is also another way of cutting down communication costs and improving efficiency within your company. We can also talk of things like interactive voice response or auto attendant. If you have seen such cases when you call into a company or you hear a voice saying, "Welcome to Sankof Engineering and Construction. If you want to talk to sales, please press 1. If you want to talk to technical, please press 2." Um, such is the function of an IVR. Actually, what it does, you relieve your receptionist from that tedious job of transferring calls every time. The IVR will automatically route your calls to the destination, uh, which is chosen by the customer who is calling in. You can also talk of things like conferencing. Now with voice over IP, you can talk about video calling. It gives you the ability to do video calls within your company. So roughly, those are some of the features that our IPPX can give, and they can actually assist your company in many ways. We can also talk of uh, advert on hold or music on hold. And what it does is, whilst the customer is on hold, you can use that opportunity to sell your products to that same customer through either the use of a recorded piece of music or any other way you want to use. But for it will also help in boosting your sales. Which is one advantage of these our PBX systems. So generally, those are the functions of our PBX systems and actually how they can help you in your day-to-day runnings of your business. So we are looking forward to seeing you, and we can help you improve efficiency, productivity, and also reduce communication costs within your company. So till we meet next time, thank you.